How worrying is it in general to have both yourself and Jason pulling up?
I think when any two players go down, it is a little bit of a worry, but I don't think we're not at panic stations or anything yet. We'll just see how we get on in the next 48 hours and go from there.
Do you envisage yourself playing in that Afghanistan game? Or
I don't know. Like everybody, we'll have to see how it pulls up, particularly probably with myself and Jason, maybe a couple of the bowlers, do a risk assessment as to see how risky it is going into that game. Bear in mind, we'd have 2 games quite short space.